Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw and sketch a mouse with a cheese. We'll start by making a line over here for the base. Now from here you make a big C shape like this. I'll fix it from the bottom over here. It should be like this. And make sure that your lines are not shaky but smooth. Now make another line like this and join them together this way. Now make a slant line from here for the dimension of the cheese and another line next to it so that it looks 3D. Next over here make a mark like this, and from this mark you make an arc over here this way and take it down, make it an oval. This will be the face of the mouth. Now from here I make this kind of a line with a slight bulge, and same from the other side as well, this way. Now I make another bulge from this side for the feet. Now make its hand over here and here as well. Make hand from the other side as well, this way. Now make a line like this for the base of the eye, and from here another line this way. We'll erase the line in the middle. We just needed it here so that we make both the eyes symmetrical. Now make a line like this for the eyeball and make it double. Add a small circle over here and eyebrows as well like this. Now make its big ears this way. Another line from here and here. Make it double from the upper side to show the folds of the ears. Add lines inside the ear as well over here. Next we are going to make its nose over here. It's a small circle for the nose and whiskers this way and on the other side as well. From the center you make a line like this. Make more lines over here and here. Make something curved in the middle as well. Now add some circles, big and small, on the cheese. At some places make the edges crooked like this by adding half circles. Now over here you add its tail as well, like this. Now using a black gel pen, outline everything that you see on the paper. The mouse, the cheese, its whiskers, eyes, ears, everything. Now once you are done with the outline, using an eraser, erase all the pencil lines. I'll start by coloring the cheese. I'm using yellow color over here to color the cheese, and when I'm coloring, I'm making sure that the white texture of the paper is not visible, and neither is the stroke of the pencil visible. It should be very smooth and should look very neat as well. It should not go outside the lines too. You have to be careful and make sure that your pencil is sharp as well. This will help you in doing the coloring in the best way. Color the entire cheese in the same color. Next, I'm taking this yellowish brown color and I'm adding it in the shadow areas or the darker regions on the cheese. For example, this corner over here, this edge on this side, the small circles or the cuts that we made on this cheese, the areas where I think it should be a little darker so that the 3D-ness of this cheese stands out. You can just follow the steps that I'm showing you and the areas where I'm coloring it with brown color for the same. Now I'm using normal brown colored pencil for the mouse, and over it I will use this yellowish brown color pencil so that it looks like the mouse. The color matches the mouse. So what I'm going to do is first I'll color the entire mouse in that normal brown color, and after that I will use the yellowish brown color to blend everything together to make the strokes smooth, to make the texture of the paper go away, the white spaces go away, and so that we get the accurate color of the mouse as well. Once I'm done with this brown color, I take the yellowish brown color, and you can see over here as I'm blending the areas, it's becoming more dark and looks more finished. Colored areas are more smooth. Next, we will color the ears. It will be dark at the top, and as we move down, it will become light. I'm using pink color over here, and I'll repeat the same step for the other ear as well. So I'll use dark green color for half of the eyeball of this mouse and black color for the other half of the eye. Also make sure that you are blending the two colors nicely. Color its nose black as well. And that's it. We are done with our picture.